Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If your iPhone is experiencing charging issues after an iOS update, it can be frustrating. So today we are here with a step-by-step guide to help you troubleshoot and potentially fix this issue. So let's get started. So our first method is performing a forced restart. Performing a forced restart can sometimes help resolve software-related issues. So the method for forced restarting your iPhone depends on the model. For iPhone 8 and later, quickly press and release the volume up button. Then do the same with the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. And for iPhone 6 and earlier, press and hold the home button and the sleep wake button simultaneously until you see the Apple logo. So our main thing to focus is cooling down your iPhone. Sometimes excessive heat can interfere with the charging process. If your iPhone feels hot to the touch, let it cool down for a few minutes before attempting to charge it again. Avoid charging it in direct sunlight or near other heat sources. So our another method is cleaning the charging port. Dust, lint, and debris can accumulate in the charging port over time, preventing a proper connection between the charging cable and your iPhone. Use a small soft bristled brush or compressed air to carefully clean out the charging port. Now, our last option is check your charging cable and adapter. Inspect your charging cable and adapter for any signs of damage, such as frayed wires or bent connectors. If you notice any damage, try using a different cable and adapter to see if that resolves the issues. If you have tried all these steps and your iPhone still is not charging properly, it may be a hardware issue and you may need to contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for further assistance. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.